Training activities aimed at improving soft skills can be limited. Trained people might get intellectually excited with the new content, but then lack the ability to actually change their old behavior, thus not succeeding with putting into practice what they have learned. This might also happen if the manager does not ask the team members to use the skills they acquired through the training. Maximize is a digital experience, streamlined and fast, that allows the manager to value and put into practice the soft skills his team members have acquired through the MAM training. Based on their strategic value and relevance to their work activities, the managers can suggest to their team members 3 skills to focus, given the strategic relevance these might have with the team's work. Maximize then organizes and sends reminders messages when further steps need to be taken. Once the master is completed, the manager is invited to assess whether he/she has seen an improvement in the level of the selected skills. This process helps managers becoming aware and responsible for the potential of their teammates. But the benefits of Maximize don't end here. All company managers, regardless of whether their team members are enrolled in the MAM Master or not, can access Life Ready Manager, the unique digital training module that provides 4 concrete techniques to recognize and overcome unconscious bias. Discover Maximize. Maximize the use of your human capital by better using what you have at hand.